Many people have been generating millions and millions of views all over social media just by creating these satisfying ASMR videos for free. No recording, no editing, no paying for anything. I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide how you can create these videos also using your phone. And these videos has cool, satisfying sound effects just like this. Now let's go direct to the tutorial, but as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now go to ChatGPT and then press up on the menu button. Now choose GPT library. Now after that, make sure that you press on the search space right there and then search ASMR. Make sure that you search ASMR. After searching that, they are going to bring you the following results. Press right there, make ASMR images and prompts. Next, they are bringing you on this page. Make sure that you press on start chat, right here on start chat. After that, you're right here. Make sure that you type in whatever you want. For example, yellow cocoa. And then send. After sending, they are going to bring you a detailed prompt. Make sure that you scroll and they're asking, would you like me to generate this image for you? Type in yes. And right here, they're asking you which ratio do you want, TikTok or YouTube. Make sure that you type in whatever you want, any of your choice, depending on where you're going to post the video. For example, me, I'm typing in YouTube. After that, the image is going to start generating and it's going to take a few seconds depending on your network. And right here, the image is generating. And the image is done. Make sure that you press on download. Now the image is done saving in your gallery. Make sure that you scroll down again and then type in turn the prompt into a VO3 video prompt. Make sure that you ask ChatGPT to turn the video prompt into a VO3 video prompt, and immediately ChatGPT is going to do it for you and it's going to send you a well-detailed VO3 video prompt just like this. Make sure that you go on and copy the prompt. Make sure that you go on and copy the prompt. Make sure that you copy it from the beginning to the end just like that. Immediately after doing that, go to your browser and then type in VO3. Then press on VO3 Google. Now they're going to bring you many results. Among them, press on the first one, Gemini AI video generator. After, press on try video right here. Now they're going to bring you to this page. Make sure that you press on add photo. Now it's going to bring you to your gallery. Make sure that you choose the photo you downloaded from ChatGPT. And then make sure that you describe your video. Press on describe your video and immediately paste in the prompt you copied from ChatGPT after send. Now this AI tool is going to start generating the video for you. It is going to start creating the video for you, and this process takes up to 2 minutes and less. Then right here, my video is ready. You can take a look. My video is ready over yellow cocoa, and that's how my video looks like. Next, you can download your ASMR video and post it wherever you want. Don't forget to leave a nice comment if you found this video helpful. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.